The NS76 is a track light that we have designed for low discount projects. Even though the components are still good, but what we have focused on here is a really low price. So if we look closer to the luminaire itself, it has a reflector, which is suitable for different beam angles that you can find in the datasheet. There is different variations of the RAL colors. However, we prefer, if you want to hold the price low, that you go with the white, black or silver versions. The driver is inside the global solution here, the global track, and that makes the solution, as I mentioned in the beginning, good in terms of quality. So even though the price is low, we have not gone down on the quality for the driver, which is the standard global really high quality driver. The LED that we use is also Citizen, which is also good. So how we have done this price so low is that we have managed to basically taken the lamp housing to a next level in the terms of the savings for the aluminium. We have saved that. We have used another reflector, which is a little bit cheaper compared to our other track lights. So this luminaire here is great for retails that need a little bit lower priced track light that can be used in also all over the world, basically, because we have a supply chain that can be used for that. So overall, really nice solution if you want to have a high quantity, low priced track light for your project, retail and also for office buildings.